Hello students. Let us study redox chemistry. The word has two parts, red and ox. The word red comes from the word reduction, and the word ox comes from the word oxidation. Let us define the two terms. What is reduction? Reduction is the process of the removal of oxygen, or the addition of hydrogen. And what is oxidation? Oxidation is the process of the addition of oxygen, or the removal of hydrogen. Let us take an example to understand these processes. From the given equation, 2ZNO plus C giving 2Zn plus CO2. We can see that C has undergone oxidation and Zn has undergone reduction. This is because C has undergone the addition of oxygen and Zn has undergone removal of oxygen. So, here we have identified oxidation and reduction in terms of addition and removal of oxygen. Let us now identify oxidation and reduction in terms of addition and removal of hydrogen as well. Let us take another example. Cl2 reacts with H2S to give 2HCl plus S. In this reaction, chlorine has undergone the addition of hydrogen. Thus, it has undergone reduction. Sulfur has undergone the removal of hydrogen. Thus, it has undergone oxidation. Thus, to conclude, oxidation is the process of the addition of oxygen and the removal of hydrogen. Reduction is the process of removal of oxygen and the addition of hydrogen. Let us try to understand the processes of oxidation and reduction from an electronic point of view. Let us consider this equation. A2- and B react to give A and B2-. A2- is an electron-rich substrate, and B is a comparatively electron-poor substrate. A2- can donate its electrons to B and form A. Thus, from A2- to A2- has suffered a loss of electrons. However, B has gained electrons from A2- and has formed B2-. Now, this process of loss of electrons is called oxidation, and the process of gain of electrons is called reduction. Thus, in this equation, A2- has undergone oxidation, and B has undergone reduction. There are four terms in the redox reaction process that we must understand. Reducing agent. Reducing agent is the agent, or chemical substrate, that reduces another substrate, and itself gets oxidized. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is the agent, or chemical substrate, that oxidizes another substrate, and itself gets reduced. Oxidized product. Oxidized product is the product that is formed from the loss of electrons of the reducing agent. Reduced product. Reduced product is the product that is formed from the gain of electrons of the oxidizing agent. Let us identify which is what from the given equation. A2- is the reducing agent. B is the oxidizing agent. A is the oxidized product. B2- is the reduced product. Let us summarize. Oxidation, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Reduction, addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. In a redox reaction. Oxidation, the loss of electrons. Reduction, the gain of electrons. Reducing agent. The substance that makes another substance to gain electrons, and itself gets oxidized. Oxidizing agent. The substance that makes another substance lose electrons, and itself gets reduced. Oxidized product. The product formed because of oxidation of the reducing agent. Reduced product. The product obtained because of the reduction of the oxidizing agent.